Hi guys, how is it going? Today I want to show you how to make this beautiful Amaryllis Christmas arrangement. So what we'll need is the Amaryllis, some sort of bowl or vase that you want, and some floral gravel or any nice kind of decorative stones that you like. So my Amaryllis, I got the white one because I wanted silver and white Christmas tree this year, so I wanted to go with the Christmas decoration if it will manage to kind of bloom up until then. And I got it from Lidl very cheaply as well. I think it was about £4 or something for one bulb. So it comes in the box, and then you also have a little pot with it to put it in, and they also provide soil. So I will unbox it to show you the bulb. So it comes in a pot like this with bags of soil and a little saucer as well, but I'm not gonna need it, so I'm gonna put it back in the box. Yeah, let's get rid of it. And the bulb looks like this. So it's got nice big roots and there is some sort of growth on it already. Unfortunately, Biggie, our cat, managed to drop it down from our kitchen island, so it kind of broke a little bit, but I'm hoping it's gonna be alright still. If not, I'm sure it's gonna get new leaves, so I'm not too bothered. And the bulb itself is quite firm, so when you're choosing your bulbs, make sure that there are not any dents or they're not soft anywhere. Just like with onions, they have to be quite firm to make sure that they're healthy. So that's the bulb there. And I will just put one in here. Maybe later on I will get a few more. I'll see how it feels because I also want to put some decoration around. So that's the bulb. The pot, I have a nice decorative vase, and the gravel here. As I said, floral gravel or any nice kind of decorative vase will do. And if you do want to put it in a soil as well, you're more than welcome to, but the bulb itself actually has a lot of energy stored in it already from the previous growth. So it doesn't really need too much nutrients for the flowering. So what we'll do, we'll just put the gravel in and then we'll put the bulb in and then we decorate. So let's do that. And you don't need too much. The set is just to keep it up from the water level so it doesn't get waterlogged. So this might actually do. Maybe a little bit more. Yeah, that should be okay. And then what you do, we just pop the bulb in. And the nice thing about it is that you can still move it. You know, it's not set in soil, so anytime you feel like it needs a little bit of support or a little bit of adjusting, you can just do that very easily. So if you're happy with that, that's all we need to do. Now we just need to water it a bit. Yeah, so let's just put some water in. Yeah, as I said, you don't have to put too much water in. Just make sure that the bulb doesn't actually doesn't sit in the water. Otherwise, as long as you keep it nice and moist, it should be okay. in a while you should also be able to see by the leaves whether they will need water or not, and you can see on the bottom if there is still water, then it's okay, you don't really have to put too much in. And you can nicely decorate it either with moss, so you can get some moss from outside, or you can buy preserved moss and just put it around nicely decorated. What I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna put some pine cones and also some branches. So I have these. So to make it nice and Christmassy, I'm gonna just put it around, and I'm gonna put branches and maybe some fairy lights as well. Just be careful when you move in the bulb. Yeah, maybe one more. So what I'm gonna put in is these lovely viburnum branches, and they smell amazing. These flowers are out. Actually here they started really early this year. They started flowering in like mid-October, which is quite early. Usually they don't start until winter. So they're really lovely scented. Yeah, so what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna put them in horizontally, so they provide support for the leaves and for the flower, because they do tend to get quite heavy, and also the house will smell lovely. And up until the bulb actually will get to flower, we will have some other flowers as a decoration in as well. So let's just put them in. And yeah, ta-da! That's our winter or Christmas flower amaryllis decoration. Cool, I hope you enjoyed it. I hope I did inspire you to make your own Christmas amaryllis or another bulb arrangement. And if you liked my video, please give it a like, and also consider subscribing to my channel if these are the kind of videos that you like. Until I see you in the next one, have a lovely weekend, and I'll see you later.